A Tyrannosaurus rex, the king of the dinosaurs, raises its massive head and lets out a mighty roar. It's a sound that has echoed across the land for millions of years, a sound that speaks of power and dominance. But on this day, the roar is different. There is a tremor of fear in its booming call, a hint of uncertainty.
The sun, usually a blazing beacon of warmth, struggles to pierce the thick veil of smoke that blankets the sky. The air is heavy with the stench of sulfur, a constant reminder of the volcanic eruptions that have plagued the earth for decades. The forests, once teeming with life, are now eerily silent. The ground trembles, a sign of the seismic unrest that has become all too familiar. The dinosaurs, lords of their domain for over 180 million years, are facing a foe they cannot fight, a cataclysm that will reshape the world forever. This is their last day, the final chapter in their reign. In a few fleeting hours, their world will be forever changed. This day marks the end of an era, the end of the dinosaurs.
Across the globe, volcanoes rage, spewing molten rock and noxious gases into the atmosphere. The Deccan Traps, a vast volcanic province in what is now India, has been erupting for thousands of years, blanketing the earth in a thick layer of ash. The air is thick with toxic fumes, making it difficult to breathe. The once lush vegetation is choked by ash, the rivers and lakes poisoned by sulfuric acid. The dinosaurs, despite their size and strength, are struggling to survive in this poisoned world. The herbivores are starving, unable to find enough food in the desolate landscape. The carnivores, though still fearsome predators, are weakened by hunger and the toxic air. The earth is in a state of upheaval, a slow-motion apocalypse that is pushing the dinosaurs to the brink.
The sun, once a source of warmth and life, is now a hazy orb, barely visible through the thick cloud of volcanic ash. The skies have taken on a perpetual twilight, casting a sickly yellow hue over the devastated landscape. Temperatures are plummeting as the sun's rays are blocked by the dense ash clouds. The world is growing colder, the once tropical climate giving way to an unnatural chill. The dinosaurs, cold-blooded creatures reliant on the sun's warmth, huddle together for warmth. The young are especially vulnerable, shivering in the cold air. The once vibrant ecosystems of the Mesozoic era are collapsing, victims of the relentless volcanic activity and the darkening skies. The end is drawing near, and the dinosaurs, unaware of the cosmic fate that awaits them, struggle to survive in this dying world.
An eerie silence falls across the land. The usual cacophony of dinosaur calls, the rustling of leaves, the chirping of insects, all have gone silent. Even the relentless roar of the volcanoes seems to have subsided, replaced by an unsettling stillness. The dinosaurs, sensing the impending doom, are frozen in place, their instincts screaming at them to flee, but with nowhere to go. The air is thick with tension, the silence broken only by the occasional tremor shaking the ground. This is the calm before the storm, the brief respite before the cataclysm that will end the reign of the dinosaurs. The earth is holding its breath, waiting for the impact that will change everything.
A blinding flash of light illuminates the sky, brighter than the sun, instantly vaporizing everything in its path. A colossal asteroid 6 miles wide slams into the shallow waters off the Yucatan Peninsula with unimaginable force. The Earth shudders, the impact sending shockwaves across the planet. Traveling at over 40,000 miles per hour, the asteroid penetrates deep into the Earth's crust, creating a crater over 100 miles wide. The impact throws billions of tons of molten rock and superheated dust into the atmosphere, creating a gigantic fireball that engulfs the sky. The dinosaurs, caught in the searing heat of the blast, are incinerated in an instant. This is the moment of extinction, the moment when the dinosaurs' reign comes to a sudden and catastrophic end.
The impact triggers earthquakes of unimaginable magnitude, far greater than anything ever experienced in human history. The Earth's crust buckles and heaves, creating massive fissures that split the land apart. Mountains crumble, valleys are formed in the blink of an eye. The very geography of the planet is reshaped in a matter of minutes. The dinosaurs, those that survived the initial blast, are thrown about like rag dolls, their bones crushed by the unrelenting force of the earthquakes. Tsunamis, towering waves hundreds of feet high, surge across the continents, drowning everything in their path. The world is in chaos, a maelstrom of fire, water, and seismic fury.
The impact in the shallow Yucatan waters sends monstrous waves radiating outwards, engulfing coastlines across the globe. These are not ordinary tsunamis. They are towering walls of water, hundreds of feet high, moving with the speed of jet planes. They crash onto the shores, wiping out entire ecosystems in an instant. No coastal region is spared, the mega tsunamis leaving a trail of destruction across the planet. Dinosaurs, even those far inland, are caught in the devastating floods. The lucky ones are swept away quickly, spared the agony of a slow death. Others cling desperately to whatever debris they can find, but eventually succumb to the relentless power of the water. The Earth is drowning. The mega tsunami is a stark reminder of the impact's destructive power.
The billions of tons of molten rock and superheated dust ejected into the atmosphere begin to rain down across the globe. The sky, already darkened by the ash cloud, is now ablaze with fiery streaks of molten rock. The Earth is bombarded with a fiery rain, igniting wildfires that sweep across continents. The air becomes superheated, suffocating any creature that managed to survive the initial impact and tsunamis. The dinosaurs, trapped in this inferno, face a horrific death. The herbivores, unable to escape the rapidly spreading fires, are burned alive. The carnivores, though more agile, are choked by the superheated air and consumed by the flames. The world is burning, the reign of the dinosaurs ending in a global conflagration.
The dust settles, the fires die down, and the tsunamis recede. The world is silent, shrouded in a thick blanket of dust and ash. The sun, still obscured by the debris cloud, casts a dim, eerie light on the devastated landscape. The Earth is wounded, scarred by the impact that ended the reign of the dinosaurs. The air is toxic, the water poisoned, the land littered with the remains of the once mighty creatures. The impact has triggered a mass extinction event, wiping out not just the dinosaurs but also countless other species of plants and animals. The Mesozoic era is over, and a new chapter in Earth's history is about to begin. The age of the dinosaurs has given way to the age of mammals, creatures that will inherit the Earth and evolve into the dominant life forms of the future.
The final day of the dinosaurs was a day of unimaginable terror and destruction. It was a day when the Earth was forever changed, a day that marked the end of an era. The dinosaurs, lords of their domain for over 180 million years, were brought down by a cosmic catastrophe, a reminder of the fragility of life and the power of nature. Their extinction, though tragic, paved the way for the rise of mammals, eventually leading to the evolution of our own species. The dinosaurs may be gone, but their legacy lives on, etched in stone, a testament to their reign and a reminder of the power of extinction to shape the destiny of life on Earth. Their last stand, though a tragic end, is a vital chapter in the ongoing story of life on our planet.